video that I'm about to make is down here again, right here. And there we go. This is, believe it or not, I actually like the finish on these. These are HART brand, Walmart. See the little blue thing? And it's kind of reminiscent of this Stanley little blip thing there. And who else puts the little dippy thing on the crescent ones? So yeah. So now you have, what's this? I got something sticky on my finger. You have crescent, red, Stanley yellow, and Walmart blue. Do I have any other ones that have little dippy things on? I've been playing with these since I bought them 4 days ago, 3 days, 4 days ago. And honestly, I'm convinced these are like old school vice grips. Other than the shitty burnt, other than the shit, that's all there is on their HART. I honestly have to say, this finish feels like, that's not how these, that's super, it's an older now. Let me check it. The finish on it, get that back on there, feels like, that's not even one either. Damn it, come on. It feels almost exactly like an original Peterson finish. Like it's got that, it doesn't have the same coloring, but it has that same, like, maybe we copied the old Irwin. And pretty much, I would say, you want good, an honest to goodness, good pair of vice grips, these things don't suck. Like they close great, they lock good. No, it doesn't have a specialty clamp on the bottom here. They're both, if you look at it here, it's riveted here and on this side pretty good. The rivets are pretty much standard in all of them. And yeah, I've looked at a lot of vice grips, and this HART Walmart brand seems to be pretty damn good. And it says CRV because every one of them says CRV on them. So I don't know why, but CRV. There's a little H on the front jaw there, right over here. Other than that, it's only markings. I guess it's laser etched in it, but no, I can't complain. It's got the little thick little ball here. They clamp good, they close good, they open good. It is very poorly welded here, but hey, you know what? It's welded. That one's kind of just it's welded to almost the same standard as that. Stanley one's just soldered. This one is just soldered. Pretty much same, all of them. But I used these things and I was like, hey shit, they're pretty good. So maybe I'll buy a couple of more little blue nub ones just for the fun of it. I only buy 4 of each. That's my goal. So my goal, I have like millions of these. Millions of ice grips. As if. Anyway, I'll end that there, and we'll see you in the next video. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell your friends about my wonderful channel that all we talk about is vice grips, or so we say. Anyway, like, subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming. If you're a new subscriber, stay around. Watch some of my old videos. I got tons of them. I'm always doing something.